Welcome to Best Choice. The best wheel bearings is probably one of the most critical yet often overlooked components of your vehicle's drivetrain, directly impacting ride comfort, fuel efficiency, and overall safety. A worn-out wheel bearing can lead to a host of problems, from annoying noises to catastrophic failure, making the selection of high-quality replacements paramount for any car owner looking to maintain their vehicle's optimal performance and ensure a smooth, quiet driving experience on every journey. Number 5. AutoShack Wheel Hub Bearing Assembly 4PC Set. Experience smoother wheel rotation and enhanced braking performance with our premium hub bearing assemblies. They are designed to reduce noise and vibration for a quieter ride. Manufactured to strict quality standards, these assemblies ensure consistent, everyday performance. They are engineered for a precise, direct fit replacement, restoring your vehicle's original stopping power. This 4-piece set includes front and rear wheel hub bearing assemblies with ABS. They are built to OE specifications, ensuring strength and reliability for your vehicle. These are designed as a replacement for select Chevrolet Malibu, Pontiac G6, Chevrolet HHR, and Saturn Aura models. Please use the Confirm Fit tool to verify compatibility with your specific vehicle. We stand behind our product with a 6-month warranty for your peace of mind. Professional installation is recommended for optimal performance. What we like. Experience smoother rides and quieter operation with these assemblies. They are designed to restore your vehicle's original stopping power. If you're looking for a reliable replacement that minimizes noise and vibration, this is a great choice. What people say. The bearing is a direct fit and easy to install. It has been holding up well after several thousand miles. The quality of the material seems good and it spins smoothly. Number 4. A premium rear wheel bearing hub assembly. Ensure a smooth and safe drive with our premium rear wheel bearing and hub assembly. Designed for optimal performance and durability, it's the perfect upgrade for your vehicle. Featuring high-quality ball bearings and sturdy steel studs, this assembly is built to handle daily driving demands. It provides excellent axial and radial load capacity, ensuring long-lasting reliability. Say goodbye to unusual noises, vibrations, and grease leaks. Our professional solution includes new components to restore your car's smooth operation and driving comfort. With a precise fit for specific Toyota and Pontiac models, installation is straightforward. The wheel studs match original specifications, ensuring compatibility with your existing rotors, wheels, and nuts. This kit includes both left and right rear assemblies, complete with speed sensors and pre-greased for your convenience. It's everything you need for a complete rear wheel replacement. Enjoy peace of mind with our 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee. We stand behind the quality of our automotive parts, so you can drive with confidence. What we like. This option offers excellent axial and radial load capacity for daily driving. It's a professional solution to common issues like unusual noise and vibrations. If you need a robust replacement that tackles old, rusted bearing problems effectively, consider this. What people say. The bearing is made of high-quality steel, ensuring durability and longevity. It features a sealed design that prevents contaminants from entering, extending its lifespan. The precise machining allows for smooth rotation and minimal friction, contributing to fuel efficiency. Number 3. MAYASAF 513277 Wheel Hub Bearing Assembly. Introducing the MAYASAF 513277, a premium wheel hub bearing assembly designed for a precise fit. It ensures your vehicle's smooth and safe operation. This assembly is engineered for a perfect fit on your Buick Enclave, Chevy Traverse, GMC Acadia, and Saturn Outlook. It's suitable for front and rear applications, depending on your vehicle model. Crafted with the highest manufacturing standards, it features an induction-hardened raceway for exceptional load-bearing capacity. You can rely on its long-lasting performance without worrying about abnormal noises. Experience minimal noise and vibration thanks to its triple seal design. Installation is straightforward and quick, getting you back on the road in no time. To ensure the perfect match for your car, please use the vehicle filter or check the fitment details. Contact us if you need any assistance confirming compatibility. We are dedicated to providing quality products and excellent service. Please verify your vehicle's year, make, model, and trim before purchasing. What we like. Enjoy a quiet and smooth driving experience with triple seals designed for optimal performance. Installation is straightforward and quick. If you prioritize ease of installation and a quiet ride, this product is an excellent fit. What people say. From my take, this replacement is heavier duty than the factory. Very easy to install, took about 35 minutes. Got rid of the loud noise instantly. Installed on a 2010 Acadia SLT, driver rear. Had to use a sledgehammer to get through the corrosion and lots of penetrating oil, but after several hours it was done. Number 2. PAROD 512360 wheel hub and bearing assembly. Experience a safer and smoother drive with our premium wheel hub and bearing assembly. It's designed to perfectly support your vehicle's gravity and guide its rotation. Crafted from high-quality materials and rigorously tested, this assembly ensures lasting performance. You can trust in its durability for every journey. This part is compatible with select Dodge Grand Caravan, Chrysler Town & Country, and VW Routan models. Please verify fitment using the provided tools before purchase. Enjoy the quality of an original equipment part at an aftermarket price. It meets OE standards for performance and reliability. We stand behind our product with a 3-year warranty. If you encounter any issues, our customer service team is ready to assist you. What we like. Get peace of mind with this assembly that meets OE quality standards and is rigorously tested for durability. It offers precise guidance for hub rotation, ensuring a safe and smooth drive. If a long warranty and proven quality are your top priorities, this is the one to choose. What people say. The installation was straightforward, and the quality of the part is excellent. Item was an exact replacement. Worked fine, problem solved. Beautiful machine work, fit perfectly without a glitch, and the ABS wiring seemed to just naturally bend and conform to the same path as the OEM wiring. Number 1. Autoround rear wheel bearing and hub assembly. This is the Autoround rear wheel bearing and hub assembly, designed for specific Toyota and Lexus models. Ensure your vehicle is AWD for compatibility. It's a direct replacement for various Toyota Highlander and Venza models, as well as Lexus RX 330, RX 350, and RX 400h. Please verify your vehicle's year and AWD specification. Manufactured with quality in mind, this assembly meets or exceeds OEM performance standards. You can trust its durability and reliability for your vehicle. Designed for a precise fit, installation is straightforward and quick. Get your vehicle back on the road with minimal downtime. We are committed to providing high-quality parts at affordable prices. Drive safer and longer with Autoround's continuous product improvements. What we like. Specifically designed for all-wheel drive vehicles, this assembly ensures excellent performance and durability. It's quality tested to meet or exceed OEM standards. If you drive an AWD vehicle and are looking for a reliable, optimized component, this is a strong contender. What people say. They're 2 years old and 80k miles on them, and they're still not making any noise. The new ones fit like a glove, and I've been very impressed with them. Road noise hum completely gone. Even a novice can do this job in an hour or so if you pay attention and take your time. Very easy installation on 2012 Toyota Highlander 4x4. The rear bearings on this vehicle usually need to be swapped out every 70,000 miles. After replacing the bearings myself, the vehicle is smooth sailing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.